Good example I give you from my experience. There was one bulb has a high vibration, and the vibration come and go. Then we found that this vibration usually on the upside when this specific tank in service. So when tank B in service, we get high vibration here. Now I know from a cause and effect, this is vibration related to this guy. So I established a relationship which is almost linear. I can tell this related to this, very simple. Because most likely this tank has some higher deposits, which is lead to a higher issue with the turbulence of the equipment, which lead to vibration. So if I don't like this undesired outcome, I'm gonna look at this root cause and identify what caused this on the tank level. But the life doesn't work this way. I just give you an example here. If I switch this light now, one of these lights here, I switch it, I get effect number one, which is immediately I get the light. One light. So if I don't like light, don't do the switch. But think about it. What about if I switch now, the light come after half an hour, and there is a door, and the front door will open after 2 days. Who will say this and this has to do with this action? As a human being, there's no way I can establish this relation in terms of cause-effect when it's non-linear, because it's very difficult. So that's why you're going to use data analytics. As a human, there's nobody who can do it because it's too complicated. In our business, our problem is not simple as simple cause and effect. There is a lot of things going to happen to impact this undesired outcome.